Today we start at the monument erected for Nathaniel Greene, who was a major general in the American Revolutionary War. Also known as the Savior of the South and the Fighting Quaker, Greene was appointed the commander of the Continental Army in the Southern Theater in 1780 by General George Washington. After the war, he aspired to become a planter, but unfortunately died at the very young age of 43. Next, we continue our stroll around Johnson Square, admiring the architecture and remembering the events commemorated in this area, such as the recitation of the origin myth of the Creek Indians by Chief Chekili, and the reading of the Declaration of Independence on August the 10th, 1776. We take a stroll by Christ Episcopal Church, which was founded in 1733. Here we see a building which is erected on the site, the First Colonist store, which keeps with the theme of what Johnson Square has become, a business-driven square. Also, in this approximate location, we see the story of Josiah Penfield, whose original $2,500 endowment was the precursor to what is now known as Mercer University. As we walk to the next square, we stop by the Coffee Fox and also learn this site was originally Tondi's Tavern, where the Sons of Liberty would gather, no doubt to discuss how they would defy the taxation of the British government. Next, we stroll over to Telfair Square. This was originally named James Square in 1733, but changed in 1883 to honor the three-time governor, Edward Telfair. At one time, where this bank now stands, was an inn which hosted President Washington in 1791. There are also several plaques commemorating the Telfair family, as well as Trinity Methodist Church, known as the Mother Church of Savannah Methodism.